and leave them all defenseless.
A fairy tale can be overrated, so raise your voices and let's get it activated. Long live having some fun. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked. With us, evil lives on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. Apple, apple, dip, dip. Wanna try it? Tick, tick, take a bite. Come on, be bold. Change the way the story's told. Listen, the dark is finally getting your attention. We're wicked Bible book and class is back in session.
You like it, steal it, gotta beat them to the treasure.